Hi guys, today I wanted to do something new. You may have already read it in the title of the video, but this time I'm gonna try out the new GUI system that came out with Unity 4.6. Now the real update isn't out yet. I just downloaded the open beta version and I'm pretty hyped to test it out and just to see how it works. I probably won't make something great in this video because this is literally my first time experimenting with the new GUI system, and I thought I might as well put it on my YouTube channel so that it may can help some of you guys, or just to show you what's coming in the new update. So anyway, let's get to it. I just made a scene. There's nothing else in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a camera just to be sure it works, and then I'm gonna try and make a new UI object, or create a new UI object. Event system, canvas, toggle, scroll. Let's just go with the image that seems the easiest thing out of the options. And we immediately got a canvas with our image and the image itself and something called event system. That's odd. Anyway, let's just open this up to the side, and that's really odd because our camera, the white cube should be in the center, but why is the, let's zoom in a bit, why is the white cube in the middle of the canvas? What if we move our camera a bit? So let's move our camera with the inspector. When we move our camera, the white cube itself isn't moving at all, and when we put our canvas outside of the field of view, we can still see the actual image inside our game. So what I guess is that the canvas is a sort of relative space, and it actually shows your whole point of view. So if we move our image inside our canvas, we should get some movement in our game. And if I'm right, then yeah. So the canvas seems to show exactly your camera view. It seems to be just your point of view in the camera. So if I put the white cube exactly in the middle of the canvas, you'll see that in the game the white cube appears precisely in the middle. So that's pretty cool, because you don't have to put your canvas inside the camera. You can just put it way up here, your camera, and it'll still appear inside your game. So that's cool for a menu. Let's make this a bit larger. I don't know how you do that. Position X, position, what if we, oh, so that's the position in the canvas. If this is 0, then, oh, so if I make this 0 and this 0, we get the exact middle of the canvas. That's cool. So let's put it here, and let's make our image a bit bigger. Let's make it, how big is our canvas? 700 by 7 by, and I can't seem to change, what's this, blueprint mode, edit as if we're not rotated, raw edit mode. I don't know how to make the canvas bigger, but I don't think that's a problem, because it's the relative. It's always symbolizing the point of view of your camera, so that's not really a problem. Let's make the image larger. Let's make this 200, and let's make this one 300, and let's move it somewhere here. Okay, and let's go through this. So this one doesn't have values to change. This one has a source image, and that can be a sprite. So I guess you can just put in any sprite you want into your image object if you just import it into your assets folder. But we got some already basic sprites that are I think included in this update. So we can give it a background, and can we change it color? Yeah, we can. Let's make it black. No, that's too black. Let's make it something like this. Wow, we can even add your material. That's cool. I didn't know that. And the image type, simple. So this is just the raw image, and sliced means they've sliced it till edge. Yeah, so they've sliced it till this edge, and the rest is just a repeat of the same color. Let's keep it sliced. And it's sad that we don't have our own sprites with this, but I haven't prepared this, so I may do a tutorial in the future where I make a menu or something in our tutorial series, in our game tutorial series. I may do that with the new Unity GUI. So let's make a new game object, a new UI game object, and let's make some text this time. And we standard have the font style Arial. We don't have anything else, but you probably just import it into your assets, whichever font style you like, and just click it here. I don't really have a font style right now to experiment with. So here you can change the style into normal, bold, italic, font size, line spacing, rich text. I don't know what this changes. I don't see any difference. Let's make it white to make it easier to read. Let's make it something like this, and let's move it into our image Yeah, so now it's clearly visible, readable. And I guess here's the text that you should insert the text that you want in here. So let's hello world. So that works. What if we start another line? Will it continue, or this is another line? It doesn't appear in our game. Where did it go? Oh, that's odd. Oh, maybe we don't have enough height. Yeah, it's there. Let's make the width 150 and let's make the height 200. Let's center it a bit. That's alright. Let's make this italic. Yet another line. So yeah, that's pretty good controls, I guess. You can change the alignment. That's pretty nice. Horizontal. Oh, I don't see any difference. Wrap. I don't know. Best fit. Oh, that's cool. It automatically makes the line of text the exact size that fits. So that's okay, but I don't think anyone wants to use that. And the color, it's just the color. And whoa, you can even add a material. And the canvas reader. What's this? I don't see any change. Oh, that's probably the pivot of the canvas. Oh. So if you put the pivot in the center and move its position, the position moves relatively to the pivot of your canvas, and if you put the pivot here, then I'm changing the wrong value. If you put the pivot here, it changes relatively compared to this side of the canvas. So that's also pretty cool, but I will probably always put the pivot of the canvas in the center of the canvas. Just keep it basic. What else can we change? No, then there's not much what we can do. We also still have this event system, and I really don't know. Error has occurred. No, I don't know what I don't have any idea what this does. The first selected. That's odd. I don't know. I don't want to touch things which I still don't know a lot about, because I have to look this up in the in Unity. What do they call that? The library that's put online. I guess that's also updated for the GUI system, and they've probably also put some tutorials online. I haven't really checked them out yet, but Unity themselves have probably put up a brief tutorial to just introduce the new GUI system. So if you're interested, you can look that up too. I'm gonna use one more UI system that I'm curious about, and that's of course the button. And let's see, we got a button, and we also automatically got a text object that's the child of our button, and this is probably the text that's shown inside the button. So if we change this, yeah, the button itself, the text inside the button changes too. So let's make this test. I know it's not original, but and yeah, the options that you have here are basically exactly the same thing as this one. It's just the extra text object that's already made with our button object, so that's convenient. Let's see what the button object itself does. So we got an image which has the exact same options as our normal image, and we can change the sprite and the color, but I think I'm just going to change the or no, let's also assign that pop-up highlight. I don't know why we just assigned it. Yeah, let's put this here. Let's try to change the text object, the text that's inside our text object, by clicking the button. That would be a cool challenge to end this video with. So let's first change the text. Let's make it continue, and let's make the color a bit more visible. So yeah, that's better. Let's go to our button, and let's see, interactable. So I guess if you don't do this, then you can't click. If you do this, let's save our scene and let's run it in the editor, see if it works. Yeah, that's cool. And if we unassign this one, the button is disabled. Transition, what's this? Oh, that's probably the visuals of the button. So if we do a sprite swap, you can change the visuals of the button by using sprites. So let's say the standard sprite is this one, and when I hover over the button we'll get another sprite, and when I press it, it will become another sprite. So yeah, that's that. Animation. Wow. This one I don't understand. I have to look it up on the internet. But it's probably just an auto-generate animation. This seems like no, I don't know. I'm not gonna change something in there. And this seems like the basic preset by changing its color. So when we make this red and we hover above our button, we'll probably get a red button. No. Oh, because our button is not interactive. So right now, yeah. So yeah, that's cool. That's cool. When we press it, let's make it green, something we can notice easily. Pretty cool. Disable color. Let's make it blue. So when can we see our disable color? Probably when it's not interactable. So yeah. Cool presets. Color multiplier. Fade duration. Let's make this 1 and see what happens. The amount of time it takes till the color is changed according to the preset that you have assigned in the inspector. So let's turn it back to 0.1. The navigation. Horizontal. Navigation. I have to look this up. What I think it is, I think it's the navigation without mouse, like when you are highlighted, when you are on a certain button and you want to use the other button, and you don't simply move with your mouse but you use the left button of your arrow keys. I think that's what they mean with navigation, but I'm not completely sure. I have to look that up on the descriptions online of the update too. And finally we got the on-click function, and that's probably what happens when I click the button. So let's assets. Oh, cool. Oh, so you can just assign an object, and then you can probably. So we want to change this. So I think that if I just drag it on here, because it needs an object and our text, it's just text, but we got two text inside our. Is this the? Yeah, it's the right one. Never mind. So we can now use a function. Broadcast message, send message, send. Oh wow. String name. Text. 1, 2, 3. Let's try this just to make sure. Let's save it, run it, and let's. Oh wow. The name of our text object changed to text 1, 2, 3. So it works pretty funny. But oh yeah, it's back. Because what I thought, that if we changed the name of our object to text 1, 2, 3 and we clicked again, then it wouldn't recognize the object because it's named text. But never mind, it went back after we closed the game. So our goal was to change the text inside the text object, so I guess that's in the text folder. Bool enabled no, string text, that should be it. So hopefully this works. Let's save and let's try it out, see if it works. It works and it has changed. And let's go back to our text object, and it has also changed in the inspector, and when we close it, it changes back. So yeah, I guess this was it. There are still a lot of more UI game objects that I can still discuss, like the slider and all that kind of stuff, but I think I'm gonna wrap things up because I don't want this video to get too long. So I hope you just got a kind of idea what the new Unity update will bring with its new GUI system. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day.